Hello everyone, this is Kajamit Hassan. Welcome back in my YouTube channel. Well, maybe this is the first time I am in front of the camera in my YouTube channel, so please ignore the backgrounds. So, if you are new here, then let me introduce myself. My name is Kajamit Hassan, and I have graduated from Rajshahi University of Engineering Technology, which is known as RUET, and I'm working as a machine learning. So, this video is a little bit kind of introductory video. In this video, I'm going to introduce a new course which is absolutely free on YouTube in my channel, that is the data mining series. Well, what topics will be covered in this course is that I'm going to discuss now. Okay. So as you can see that we are going to cover different topics like data mining and KDD process. Then we are going to cover different types of attributes, data attributes, then data cleaning concepts. We are going to uh, provide a theory plus a coding concept. Then we are going to know about the a priori algorithm. The video is already available in my channel. And then we're going to learn about different model evaluation metrics with the explanation. And I'm going to explain the theory first, then I'm going to do the Python coding for your better understanding. Then also we are also going to learn about different advanced classification methods like multi-layer perceptron, single layer perceptron, SVM, which is known as support vector machine, lazy learners like KNN, etc. Lastly, we are going to learn about how we can improve our accuracy scores. So these are the topics that I'm going to cover in this data mining series. So if you have any kind of suggestion, please let me know in the comment box. I will add the topics here. So that's all about the data mining series. Thanks for watching. So I'd like to request you guys to subscribe in my channel and please hit the bell icon so that you can receive the videos very soon. Thank you everyone.